Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, I just want to talk about one of the most common mistakes for beginner when they use technical indicators to trade. For today, I will just use a simple indicator, a simple strategy, which is a simple moving average crossover to explain this question. First let's set up the indicators. Okay, go to technical indicator. Yep, just click on it, and then next we will go to the simple moving average. Just put a tick on that. Okay. So next, open the drop down, and then we just need to make sure the SMA1, SMA2, SMA3 are all selected. So next, go to parameter. For today, I'm using a 7, 13, and 200 parameter. So again, SMA1 is 7, SMA2 is 13, SMA3 is 200. So after we get that done, close the technical indicators window. So for today, I'm just gonna make a bit long. The explanation is gonna be a bit longer. For today, I'm gonna trade with a 3 minutes option, and then just gonna use a 1 minute chat period. That's all set now. We can try to make few trades, and I will explain it to you how you can use the indicator correctly. Just let me quickly place a trade here first, and then I will tell you how I place the trade and then what you need to keep in mind. So here I placed a high option. So for you to place a high when using the simple moving average, so first we will confirm the trend direction. So in here we see that the simple moving average is below the candlestick. The yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick and is heading upwards. So now we see that the market is most likely in an uptrend. So during uptrend, we only look for timing to open high position. We will just move on to the blue and red simple moving average to identify a timing to trade. So when we can open a position is when the two simple moving average, the blue and red one, crossover, and then if the blue one goes above the red one, then it's a bullish signal. So that's why I opened a high option there. So now here we come to the most common mistake for beginners. So when we use indicator to trade in binary option, the timing for us to place an option is right after the signal comes out. So in here, the two simple moving average crossover, and then that's the exact moment when I place my option. So a lot of people actually place an option way after the signal comes out. And like for example in this one here, let's say this is a downtrend, so these two simple moving average crossover, and then they don't place a trade at when they crossover. They place a trade at after the crossover, in the middle of the price development. So that is actually not a good timing for you to trade. The best timing for you to trade is right after the indicator gives out a signal. That's a more accurate signal for you to trade with. So that's actually one of the biggest question from beginners. So again, the timing for you to trade is right after the signal gives out right after the indicator gives out the signal. So in here, the two simple moving average crossover, and I place a trade right after the crossover, and that's how I trade in binary option. So just remember that. And the trade, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this trade here. So I will just wait for a bit more, and it's about to finish. So the last 10 seconds. So next I will just browse a bit to try to show you a timing for you to open a low position. Okay, the trade is now finished, and just fast forward a bit, and I will just try to browse on different currency pairs here to try to look for a downtrend. Okay, just browse a bit more. Okay, now I see that the candlestick, the simple moving average, yellow simple moving average is above this the candlestick. So I know that the market is most likely to be in a downtrend. So now I opened it a low option. So the timing for you to open a long option, as I mentioned just now, first we need to confirm the trend direction. We need to confirm that the market is in a downtrend. By doing that, we use the yellow simple moving average to identify the trend direction. So if the simple moving average is above the candlestick, then we will say that the trend is in a downtrend. So next we'll move on to the blue and red simple moving average. So I just need to wait until the crossover. The blue line goes below the red line, so that's a bearish indication, and that's why I opened it a low option there. So again, you see here I placed the trade right after the two simple moving average crossover. So that's the exact timing I want to place my trade. I don't want to place the trade few seconds or few minutes after the crossover. I place it right at when the crossover. So just keep in mind for that, and just try not to place a trade after few seconds or even few minutes after the signal, because in binary option the result can be changed within seconds. So that's really crucial for you to open a option at when the signal comes out. Okay, so I still have quite a long time there, so I'm just gonna fast forward a bit and jump straight into the result. Okay, so let's take a look at the result. So okay, so the trade is about to finish, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this one. Okay, it's finished. So let's take a look at the history. So there's two trades for this first half session. So $90 profit. So I'm just gonna make a few more trades and just try to look at the moment when I open the position, just try to see how I spot the signal and how I trade right after the signal comes out. So yeah, I will see you again when the trades are finished. Okay, so the trades are finished now, and for the second half I actually traded with 30 seconds option by using the 10 seconds chart. So here's the result. So I make 6 trades today, and 5 of them were ended in profit and ended with 1 loss only. So the total profit now has come to $156. So that's not bad. So again, the timing for you, the correct timing for you to open a position when using technical indicator in binary option is when the signal, right after the signal comes out. So do not wait after the signal comes out. So once there's a trading signal, just go forward and don't wait. So well, that I think that's gonna give you a higher accuracy when you trade. So well, if you do have any question on this matter here, just leave me a comment down there, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So well, that's it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.